You can see in the table corresponding to sunny there are 5 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So corresponding to each sunny, let us write a different values in the values of humidity, windy and status of the game. So if the temperature is corresponding to sunny, the temperature, humidity, windy and these variables are hot. So these are the part of the these are the values corresponding to the sunny in the given table above. From this table I am writing this table corresponding to sunny, what are the cases of temperature, humidity, windy and light. So those I am writing. Similarly, corresponding to rainy, the different value of the temperature is mild, cool. So these are the table we have created from the table. Yes. So this is the so far we have come to know our root node. Next is for corresponding to the temperature we are going to construct find out the root node. So similarly, let us make for hot, how many cases are there? What 2 cases are there corresponding to both. No rule, no game has not been played. So we will make a rule hot no as a rule. So 0 error will be there because only 2 cases and both are no, which are supporting the rule. So 0 by 2. Then corresponding to mild, there are 2 cases. One case is no, one case is yes. So corresponding to anyone you can make as a rule, mild no or mild yes. So mild no I am making as a rule. So yes, 1 out of 2 is error. Similarly cool, there is only one case. Cool yes. So we will make a rule cool yes. So here 1 is supporting case, 0 will be error. So 0 divided by 1. So the total error here is 1 by 5. Similarly, corresponding to humidity, it has a 2 value, high and normal. So corresponding to each high, there are 3 no. So we will make a rule high no. High no as a rule. So 0 are error because there is no case for high which doesn't support this. So high no, 0 error. If normal, there are 2 cases corresponding to both which game has been played. So we will make a rule normal yes. Normal yes. So 0 error. Again windy has 2 values, false and true. So false no, false yes and true yes. So corresponding to 2 false no is there and 1 false yes is there. So since 2 is greater than 1, so false no has been considered as a rule. So error is 1 by 3, and if true yes is there, true yes, so one case is no, another case is yes. So anyone you can say. So true yes, 1 out of 2 are error. So if you consider as a 1 by 5, 0 by 5, 2 by 5 as an error. Similarly, right hand side we can make a table. We can construct that. Again here you can see that left side the list error is 0. So humidity will be considered as a next level root node. But right hand side again 0 by 5, this is list. So windy is considered as a next root in the right hand side. So we will reconstruct our decision tree: outlook, sunny, rain. The sunny has the left hand side. Sunny has the different value, temperature, humidity and windy, but humidity is list value. So humidity has two values, high and normal. So I will make humidity high and normal. Similarly, right hand side table is the list value is windy, so we'll consider the secondary root node. Right hand side is windy, and it has a two variable, false and true, false and true. So humidity, you can see that humidity 0, 3 and no, and 0 to yes. Humidity high 30 no, and normal 20 yes. Similarly, right hand side windy, yes, no. If windy false, answer will be yes. If windy is true, answer will be no. So corresponding to yes 30 and corresponding to true no 20. So 20 here is. Now, so this is our final decision tree of the about. I hope all of you understood. And based on by looking the decision tree, we have to answer this one. This case. In case of outlook is sunny, temperature is hot, humidity normal, windy true, then game will be played or not. So let us start with the outlook. Outlook. After that, outlook is sunny. So we will move to the outlook is sunny left hand side. Then it is talking about humidity. Okay, so there is humidity. So let us go. Humidity is normal. So normal, humidity normal. You come to the normal. So yes, game will be played. Answer will be yes. So this is how the decision tree has been. I have explained you whatever given in the textbook. One problem as exercise is also given in the textbook. So please try to solve it by yourself by taking this as a reference. I hope you will understand and you will become master of the decision tree. Very simple problem, exercise problem is there in the textbook. Please solve it so that you can become expert and you can give your best in the V2 external exam. Thank you. All the best.